Let's do a no makeup. One second. Let's do a no makeup look today because I don't know if I'm going anywhere and I don't want to waste my products. What are you doing? Get back there. Anyway, it is 7:15, but do I care? No. And I had a basketball game today and I won. That's how you know I'm good. Anyway, let's start. Eyelash curler because these be looking bad. I don't know why people say they have to go like this to do it. Like, what? Is it only me who can do it normally? Look at that difference, bro. I'm feeling energetic right now. That's why there's so many sound effects is short. Yeah. Tell me I'm so good. Tell me. So tomorrow is Mother's Day, and I haven't done anything yet. Am I a bad daughter? Anyway, next we're gonna shape the eyebrows, because they be looking like caterpillars, bro. Anyway, I cleaned my room today. I feel so tidy, like, and I got new clothes. I need to calm it down. So I tried to do my nails yesterday. As you can see, it did not work out. I tried to paint them and then do designs at home with a toothpick. And then when I went to bed, like, they weren't dry yet, and I checked to see if they were. They weren't. And I ended up smearing, like, all of it. So at the end, I just took it off, and now it's in the, like, cuticles of my nails. And I painted my toenails, but I won't show you that because it's weird. Next, I'm gonna go with this. I do this all the time in my night routine. I just really like the sprayer. Don't talk while you're doing that. But yeah. Honestly, it kind of tastes sweet. What the heck? I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Next, I rub it in because I don't like the feeling of it just sitting there. Hyperventilating. Anyway. Oh, so those eyebrows were fun. Next, I go with the bubble again. Knockout Acne Spot Treatment. Don't mind the nail. And I don't know how, but like every time I squirt it, I seem to get too much of the product. Oh, that was like perfect. But like it was my first squeeze and I need at least 3 because I got a lot of Girly Pops. I'm not gonna just splattered it everywhere. Not gonna do that again. Usually I put it like everywhere on my nose. Just went up my nose again. And yes, it did happen yesterday. We don't tell about that. And here's the final look. And yes, the lashes do look better in person. Bye.